Hey, what's up? It's Philip and let me show you how to quickly create roads in UEFN. So let's start. First we'll go to the landscape mode and over here we will use splines. It's under manage. And first of all we need to create a new layer. This is a recommended procedure because you want to control only the splines. So go to create and rename a new layer, name it road, and right click on it and click over here reserve for splines. This means that it will only use splines, it will only use our roads. Okay, now hold Control on your keyboard and left mouse click to add roads, and just keep it doing until you are satisfied. Over here, if you click on this segment, you can move it around. Use this spline, or you can use this standard rotation and transition tools to move this spline around. Very easy, just like you do with other objects. You can do this with segments, or you can do this with control points and move it up, down, and whatever you like. And just click Control and connect the spline. Okay, make some modifications and make sure to click these segments and it will select all segments. This way we can replace these segments with a real road. And go under details and over here that says spline meshes, click this add element plus button, expand index in the drop down menu over here under the mesh, type in road and we can select this road straight and it will immediately replace our spline with roads. Very cool. But as you can see, we have a problem here. We have grass on our road. It's very easy to change this grass. Select this layer, make sure it's selected, and go to paint mode and scroll down a bit and you can choose this first layer. It's gravel or something, dirt, I don't know, and just paint under the road. As you can see, our grass is gone, but it's a little big. So undo and create a smaller brush size and paint underneath it. And you can see that we successfully get rid of the grass on our roads, and it will add some nice, transition element between road and the landscape, as you can see over here. So you can now go to sculpt mode and use this sculpt and sculpt around our road. This way you can add some nice environmental design to your level. Okay, I'll now fast forward this process so you can see our finished road. As you can see, we have this nice road scene. And this is it from me from this video. If you like it, drop some comments and likes below and check out the full playlist if you want to learn more. See you in some other video. Bye bye.